What up, guys? So here we are in basically I'm taking my WRX in for the installation of the airbox, which did not come with the ETS intake. I believe they should probably sell it together no matter what, but to charge anywhere from $96 or $100, I got it shipped 2 days, so it cost $115. I think that it's a little overpriced, but they make it so that it's pretty much necessary, and I'll explain why. A few people that got the intake without the box ended up getting some things into the intake somehow, and not only that, but after the box was installed, as you'll see in this next segment, I slowed down the video so you guys can get a really good look. There's my exhaust tips from the nameless Axleback exhaust. And then here we go. Here's what it looks like installed. Box nice and secure. Very tightly placed. And here's where the air would come in. And then there's like a little a follow-through tube that goes into the box. It's not just like a box. It just doesn't cover it. There's actually like a flow section into the box. And I know a lot of guys get cold air intakes with that don't have boxes, and it's not really a very smart thing to do, because it's literally right next to the engine, and it sort of defeats the purpose of the entire Subaru intake system here. I'm not talking about the intercooler intake either. This is just a basic airbox intake. It's actually functional, and if you look there, right by the yellow dipstick thing, there's a lot of heat over there. And when I felt the box at this point, just driving like 15 minutes home, 10-15 minutes home actually, the box was hot. So you're shielding that intake from a lot of heat. And I don't know how actual cold the air is going in there, but it certainly is a lot colder than if that box wasn't there. So if you guys ever get the ETS intake or any other intake, make sure that you either make your own box, like a few guys on YouTube did, or buy some sort of box. And that's going to wrap this quick video up, and there will be another video soon on the access port that just arrived. Peace out.